Welcome to AVerMedia, AI Embedded Systems. In today's short video, we'll take D115OX for instance to quickly show you how to use UART cable to get debug UART log from AVerMedia AI product. Before we start, your AVerMedia AI product should already be flashed. You may refer to this tutorial video on how to flash the BSP for AVerMedia AI Box PC. Now let's start to get debug UART log. Part 1. Connect UART cable. Step 1. Go to the AVerMedia website to download your AI product user manual. Then head to GPIO expansion page. Step 2. Refer the pin defines and connect UART cable between your host PC and AI product. Noted, the TX pin of UART cable has to connect to the RX pin of your AI device. The RX pin of UART cable has to connect to the TX pin of your AI device. Part 2. UART settings. Step 1. Install Minicom package. Step 2. Run Minicom and select serial port setup. Step 3. Set up serial device to your serial port and set up hardware flow control to know. Step 4. Save the setup as a configuration file, for example USB 0.WAF and exit Minicom. Part 3. Get debug UART log. Step 1. After setup finished, you can use the configuration without setup again. Step 2. Power on your AI device and you will see the information from debug UART log will continuously be showed on the terminal. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or need further assistance to set this up, please contact the AVerMedia support team via the link in the description.